Buckle up because we're diving deep into the world of Amazon camping gear and gadgets. All for a steal. Think innovative gadgets, space-saving essentials, and clever tools you never knew existed. So let's get ready, set, camp. Experience hands-free illumination and enhanced safety with the DAIKA headlamp. This headlamp isn't your average light. First off, it's super bright. We're talking 450 lumens. That's strong enough to see over 100 meters in the dark, which is further than a football field. It can also bend and become a neck light. Imagine reading a book in your tent at night, hands-free with the bright light illuminating only what you need. Pretty cool, right? Another perk? It's rechargeable with a USB cable, just like your phone. The battery lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge, so you can explore all night without running out of power. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or just reading a book at night, this headlamp has you covered. The next deal is a lifesaver for anyone who wants a good night's sleep under the stars. The Vaverto Memory Foam Pillow. This pillow is made out of memory foam which molds to your head and neck for a comfortable support, just like your pillow at home. But the coolest part? This pillow squishes down real small, smaller than a regular pillow, so it fits super easily into a backpack or luggage. Plus it has a handy strap to clip it to your bag so you don't lose it. The cover is super breathable too, so you won't get sweaty on those hot summer nights. You can get this versatile pillow for just $25, making it a budget-friendly and practical addition to your camping gear. Tired of balancing your burgers and chips on your lap during camping trips? Well, check out this cool find. The Rock Cloud Portable Camping Table. This table is super light, weighing only 3 pounds, making it easy to carry in the included storage bag. It's perfect for camping, hiking, picnicking, and even indoor use. With a max load capacity of 60 pounds, this table is sturdy enough to hold all your essentials. The unique storage bag design adds extra space, allowing you to store more items. The table is easy to install too, no tools needed. Just open the base frame, attach the tabletop, and you're ready to go. And the tabletop features a unique hinged connection for durability and stability. You can get this Rock Cloud portable table for just $25. So pick up this little table and upgrade your camping experience. Ever dream of having a comfy chair on your camping adventure without a backache or lugging a heavy one around? Well, dream no more. The LENCE portable camping chairs are here to save the day. Crafted from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy, these lightweight chairs weigh only 2 pounds each, but can support up to 400 pounds. The chair covers are made of durable 900D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon with double-stitch seams, ensuring they are rip-proof and built to last. Plus, it folds up nice and compact, so you won't have to worry about it taking up precious space in your pack. Priced at just $60, they're built for comfort, built to last, and built to go wherever you go. Our fifth find is a lifesaver for anyone who wants to keep their food and drinks cold without the hassle. The Maelstrom Soft Cooler Bag. This cooler bag is anything but ordinary. First off, it's huge. It can hold up to 60 cans of your favorite beverages, plus ice. But here's the cool part, no pun intended. It folds flat for easy storage when you're not using it. The Maelstrom cooler also features a 5-layer insulation system that keeps your stuff cold for up to 12 hours. The exterior is made of tough, rip-resistant materials, and the inside is lined with a leak-proof material to prevent any messy spills. For just $40, you can snag the Maelstrom Soft Cooler Bag and upgrade your outdoor adventures and be the coolest kid on the block. Looking for a spacious camping table? Well, look no further than the LEADALLWAY Folding Camping Table. This table is a beast. We're talking a massive surface area that can comfortably seat 4 to 6 people. Plus, it has a handy mesh shelf underneath for extra storage. Perfect for snacks, drinks, and that game of cards you forgot to pack in your backpack. It folds up super compact and comes with its own carrying bag, so you can easily toss it in your car and head out on your adventure. The top is also waterproof and stain resistant, making cleanup a breeze. So whether you're enjoying a family barbecue, a relaxing picnic, or just a backyard hangout, this $80 camping table is surely going to be your new best friend. Don't let the dark stop your adventure with the Etekcity Lantern Essentials Light, the perfect companion for your outdoor excursions. With 30 bright LED bulbs, this lantern can illuminate your surroundings with a dazzling 140 lumens and a 360-degree lighting effect. It's perfect for emergencies like storms, power outages, and more. Powered by 3 AA batteries, this lantern can provide up to 50 hours of bright light, ensuring you'll never be left in the dark. Constructed with military-grade ABS material, this lantern is durable and water-resistant, capable of surviving drops and getting wet. It's also FCC certified and RoHS compliant, ensuring safety and quality. For just $20, the Etekcity Lantern is a must-have for any camping trip, emergency kit, or just to have around the house. Get ready for a cozy night's sleep under the stars with the MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag. This sleeping bag is designed for 2 people with a roomy, rectangular shape that provides maximum comfort. It easily fits 2 people up to 7 feet tall, so even the tallest campers can stretch out and relax. The wraparound zippers allow you to separate the sleeping bag into 2 individual bags or use it as a queen-size blanket, giving you versatility for any situation. Constructed with a double-layer 400 GSM innovation fiber filling, this sleeping bag is also designed to keep you warm and cozy, even in cold weather conditions. The synthetic insulation provides ample padding and comfort, making you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. And the great news is that it's available for just $70. For a double sleeping bag, that's a pretty good deal. Being prepared for the unexpected is key to having a safe and enjoyable time in the wilderness. That's where the ABPER 318 PCS Emergency Survival Kit comes in. This bad boy is packed with a whopping 318 pieces of survival gear and medical supplies, all designed to get you out of a jam. We're talking essential medical supplies like bandages, wipes, and CPR masks, all neatly organized for quick access. But that's not all. Think multi-tools, a fire starter, an emergency blanket, and even a collapsible tent lantern. It has everything you need to stay safe and comfortable until help arrives. And priced at just $50, this comprehensive survival kit offers excellent value and preparedness for a wide range of emergency and outdoor scenarios. Get yourself a one-stop shop for starting fire, no matter what nature throws your way. It's called the Pyro Putty Mega Mini Ferro Rod, and for under $40, it's about to become your new best friend on any outdoor adventure. This handy kit combines a heavy-duty ferro rod with a clever storage compartment for Pyro Putty, a special fire starter feel. The rod itself is built tough, designed to create sparks that easily ignite the putty, even in wind, rain, or freezing temperatures. The Pyro Putty comes in 2 different blends, a winter blend for those chilly nights, and a summer blend for the warmer weather. Both burn for an extended period, giving you ample time to get your campfire roaring. Now that's a wrap on today's epic, budget-friendly Amazon camping haul. Let us know in the comments below which items you're most excited about trying. And if you know a friend who's itching to upgrade their camping gear, hit that share button and send this video their way. And please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome camping content. Until next time, happy camping.